Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we shall solve the general paper questions of KSET 2021 W series. So we shall solve the problems from 41 to 45, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So we shall solve these questions. So these questions are based on a data. So answer the questions from 41 to 45 based on the data given below. So they have given a pie chart. So in a company, so there are three companies A, B, C. So in common for A, B, C, there are totally 1,200 workers. So if I count the workers of A, B, C, three companies, there are totally 1,200 workers. Among 1,200 workers, 35% workers are of company A, 40% of the workers are company B, and 25% of workers are of company C. So this is one data. So there are totally 1,200 workers where 35% belong to company A, 40% belong to company B, and 25% belong to company C. And there is one more type of data. So in company A, for every 35 workers, there is one officer. In company B, for every 20 workers, for a group of 20 workers, there is one officer. And in company C, for a group of 15 workers, there is one officer. So this is the ratio of officers and workers in company A, B, and C. 1:35 in A, 1:20 in company B, and 1:15 in company C. So this is the given basic data. So based on this basic data, we have to solve the questions from 41 to 45. So to solve the questions from 41 to 45, so just we have to make some ready values. So we shall make it. Right? So first of all, we shall see workers in company A. Company A. So what they have given? So they have given there are 35% of total 1,200 workers. So 35% of 1,200 workers are of company A. So 35% means, so it is in the name itself, 35%. So for 100, it is 35. So for 100, it is 35. So if I need for 1, it is 35 by 100. 35 by 100. So I need 35% of 1,200. So it is for 1 unit. So for 1 unit, it is 35 by 100. So multiply this by 1,200 on both sides. So for 1,200, it is the value 35 by 100 into 1,200. Or percentage, 35% means you have to write it as 35 by 100. So 35 by 100 will give you the value for 1 unit. So I need for 1,200 unit. So into 1,200. So what is the value? So 0, 0 gets cancelled. 35 12s are 420. So similarly, workers in company B. So it is 40% of 1,200. That means 40 by 100 into 1,200. So it is 480. Workers in company C. So it is 25% of 1,200. So 25 by 100 into 1,200. So it is how much? It is 300. So workers in company A are in 420 number. So workers in B 480 and workers in C 300. Right. So next we shall see how many officers are there. So in company A, for every group of 35 workers, so there is one officer. So how many workers are there in? So officers. No. So number of officers in A. Number of officers in A. So first of all, how many workers are there? So workers are 420 in number. right? So 420, how we got it as 35 into 12, right? So if I can write this as 35 into 12, that means, observe that 420 workers are divided into 12 groups of 35 each. So I can divide 420 workers into 12 groups of 35 each. So for each group of 35 workers, there is one officer. So for 12 groups, there will be 12 officers. So therefore, there will be 12 officers in company A. Similarly, if I calculate for B, so in B, there are 480 workers. So 480 workers can be divided into 480, we got it to be 40 into 12, or I can write it as, so it was actually 40 into 12. So, but I can write it as 20 into 2 into 12 or 24. So observe that. So in company B, for each group of 20 workers, there is one officer. So 480 workers can be divided into 24 groups of 20, each of 20 workers. So how many? For each group of 20 workers, there is one officer. So there are totally 24 groups. So there will be 24 officers in company B. Similarly, in company C, so how many workers are there? First of all, there are 300 workers. And for each 15 workers, for each group of 15 workers, there is one officer, right? So 300 can be split into 15 into 20. So that means 300 workers can be divided into 20 groups, each of 15 workers. So for each group of 15 workers, there will be one officer. So there are 20 groups, so there will be 20 officers. So this is the basic data. So companies A, B, C, right? So how many workers are there? How many officers are there? And both combined to form employees. So both are combinedly called as employees. So in company A, there are 420 workers. How many officers? There are 12 officers. So in company B, there are 480 workers and 24 officers. And in company C, there are 300 workers and 20 officers. So 432 employees in company A, 504 employees in company B, and 320 employees in company C. So if you make this table ready, then we can solve these 5 questions in a fraction of a second. So now come to the 41st question. Find the ratio between the total number of workers in company A and company B to the total number of officers in company A and B. So we have to find the ratio between workers and officers in total in company A and B. So first of all, what is the total number of workers in company A and company B? So 420 plus 480. So total workers in company A and B to the total officers in company A and B. So this is the ratio which we need. So total workers in company A is 420, company B is 480. Officers in company A is 12 and officers in company B is 24. So it is 900 by 36 and it is 25 by 1, or it is in the ratio. In the ratio, I can write it as 25:1. So the answer is A, 25:1. So that if the data is ready, you can calculate in fraction of a second. So next 42. So 42, total number of employees in company B exceeds the total number of employees in company C. So total number of employees in company B is 504 and total number of employees in company C is 320. So in company B, there are 504 employees and in company C, there are 320 employees. So what is the difference? So difference is 184. So number of employees in company B exceeds by 184 of the total number of employees in company C. So the difference is 184. The answer is option C. 43rd, what is the total number of officers in the three companies? So I have to count the officers in all the three companies. So according to this table, so if you add all the entries of this column, so 12, so number of officers in company A is 12, in B 24 and in C 20. So the total is, what is the total? 12 plus 24 plus 20. So it is company A, company B and company C. So the total is 56. So the answer is option A. Okay. So next 44th question. So the difference between the total number of employees in company A and company C. So once again, just go back to that table. So employees in company A is 432 and employees in company C is 320. So the difference is, so employees in company A is 432 and employees in company C is 320. So the difference is 112. So the answer is option B, 112. Finally, the 45th question, the difference in the number of officers in company B and company C. In company B, there are 24 officers and in company C, there are 20 officers. The difference is 4. So the option is A, 4. So for this question, so if you make this table ready, then you can answer all the 5 questions in less than 10 seconds. Thank you.